Got him. Ooh, he's bigger. Way bigger. Alright guys, what's up? It's Matt back again with another episode of Good to Go Fishing. Today me and my good buddy Dustin are going to hit this little creek, and what we're going to try to do is get him on his personal best smallmouth. That is the goal. I think his personal best is like 15 or 16 inches. If there's a spot that we could do it, this is the spot. Check out this creek, guys. I was here just a few days ago and I caught some nice bass, especially down that way right there. I had about an 18-inch smallmouth toss the Whopper Plopper about 5 or 10 feet in front of me, and I was devastated. But we're back at it again. We're gonna hopefully get on some big bass. All right guys, the bait I am starting out with today is the Kitech 3.8 fat swing impact swim bait. This is white and silver, and I got a weighted swim bait hook, and it's a 4/0 hook, and it's a 1/4 ounce weight on there. This should be perfect for these shallower spots. I really like this bait in these creeks, guys. Hopefully we use this and get a couple bass. If not, I'll switch it up to maybe a jig. And as soon as that sun starts setting, it's time for the Whopper Plopper. So what I would do is I would look for the deeper spots like this that have a little bit of current and bigger rocks in them. That's where I've been catching most of my big smallmouth at. I haven't been catching a lot of them where it's shallow or where it's a lot of current. But like deep little pockets like this, those are the good spots. My boy Dustin over there is starting off with a TRD crawl on a Ned rig head. I'm thinking he's going to get in some good fish here soon. See this area to the left? I'd throw it right out there, dude. Just don't see how it drops off. It's like shallow, and then there's a little bit of depth. That'd be the ticket. There we go. That's a nice rock bass, dude. Nice. Good job, bud. I think I'm going to throw on the Plopper. Yeah, screw it, dude. I'm going to throw on the Plopper. Just to experiment. I just don't think they're biting yet. And the only thing that'll trick them is the frickin' Plopper. Ooh, biggin'. Stay down, stay down. Stay down. Oh, he's coming after me. He's a biggin'. Oh no, dude. Not as big as I thought. All right, guys. Cool, man. Easy, easy, buddy. Finally, the first smallmouth of the day, guys. I don't know, probably about 13 inches long if I were to guess. I thought he was so much bigger, so much bigger. He hit like a big dog, that's for sure. Sweet. Check him out, dude. See you later, buddy. All right, guys. Finally, after about two and a half hours, I caught my first smallmouth using a 110 Loon Whopper Plopper. That thing has been doing me so good in these creeks, man. Probably threw it a little bit too early, but we got some big blow-ups too. Dustin was throwing a buzz bait. Whatever was chasing that thing was freaking massive. But right now it's about 6:30, something like that. It's time for the Whopper Plopper topwater bite, guys. Let's go. freaking deer throughout here. That's cool, man. It's beautiful, dude. Oh my goodness. And it's taking a squat right there. Yeah, we're talking to you. You see that little gravel bar right there? Stand on that thing and freaking cast parallel right in front of these rocks. Kind of sneak up on them because there's probably some fish right in front of these rocks over here. No, see where the gravel's coming out? Stand right there and cast right in front of you and to the right and to the left. The weird thing about rivers is a lot of times it's all about the angle, man. That's a good cast, dude. Got him. Ooh, he's bigger. Way bigger. Stay down, boys. Get all those rocks. Ooh, look at this. Is this the fish, Ohio? Yeah. Woo. Oh, he was hooked good, dude. Look at this freaking smallmouth bass. Stop bending your tail and looking smaller. That's every bit of 17, 18 inches, folks. Yes! Just landed this massive smallmouth bass, guys. Look at this freaking chunk. I gotta extend the GoPro out a little bit, make sure I get the right angle. Dude, this is awesome. It don't get no better than this, folks. Right here, I told you like 3 seconds ago, it's time for the Whopper Plopper topwater. I saw this spot. It's nice and rocky. And man, this thing is massive. Awesome fish, guys. Awesome fish. Let's get a release on this thing. Woo! Dude, I want you to catch one right there. And I want to catch one right here too. Got him. Oh, I think he got off. No, little guy. Dude, he is fast. Not a bad smallmouth at all. It's all about the angle, man. Ooh, Dustin's on one. Keep it down, bud. He's gonna flop off. Yeah, doubles. Is that your PB?
Probably up there pretty good.
Look at that, double small jaws. Look at these small jaws back to back, boys. Look at this. Is yours bigger? Yeah. Dustin got the big one. All right, see you later, little buddy. Thanks for the fight. All right, guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I had a freaking blast, as I always do on this creek. I went here a couple days ago, and I did very well. We came back today. Didn't do as good, but we still caught some nice fish. We doubled up. Dustin and I doubled up, so that's awesome. I probably caught a Fish Ohio smallmouth, and that was awesome too. I had a lot of misses, a lot of little guys biting this 110 Whopper Plopper, but overall, still, man, still a good day, man. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you like this video, smash that thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell as well, so you guys get notified when a video drops. Thanks for watching. Peace.